we've received reports of mass murder.
A new species of bird at the local zoo has broken free and is now killing children.
Warning, the audio we are about to play is shocking, but also, kinda cool, not gonna lie.
Hurrah! And we shall learn to burn out with a magnificent song! And that gets your story for today. Unfortunately, he did not come out. Oh my god! Oh, wow, looks like the bed actually came out.
Whoa! Calm down there, Bobby!
Mommy, look at the bird!
We need to go now, honey.
Hey,
It's not shown in the audio, but that bird went on to kill around 48 people. So I just want to warn you people to stay inside of your houses, as it is not able to kick down doors yet. So that is it. That is pretty much it for my speech to you people on my radio thingy. So I'm just gonna go and snap this antenna off real quick, okay?